Hello friends, I'm Miss Audra, and today we're going to create the soundscape of a storm. So I want you to think about the rolling thunder, the different sounds of the rain trickling down hard or soft on a roof, the wind rushing through the leaves. So think about these things while we together take a deep cleansing breath in and hold. We're going to blow out like the wind. Make all the sound you want. And a deep breath in as we think about the sounds of a storm. Take that breath and hold and blow out like a storm. Nice. So I want you to hold that sound in your mind, whatever sound you want to make. And again, think about a movement you might make with your body. You could use your hand, your arm, and if you have space, you could move your whole body around. And think about all those sounds that you might hear, or rolling thunder, but you're gonna make your own sound on the count of 3. We're gonna do it all together and make our soundscape. 1, 2, 3. Nice, louder if you want. And I'm gonna add my sound. And on the count of 3, we're all gonna stop together. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Think about that beautiful soundscape that you just created with your friends and your community, wherever you are in the classroom. And let's take one last big, deep breath together. Calm, cleansing breath. Here we go. And hold together and blow it out like the wind. Shake it out. I'm Miss Audra, and I'll see you next time.